What is Cardano? A research-driven blockchain explained. Cardano is one of the most well-known blockchain projects in the crypto space, often described as a research-driven or academic blockchain. But what does that actually mean? And why does Cardano continue to rank among the top cryptocurrencies by market capitalization? In this video, we will explain what Cardano is, how it works, and what makes it different from other blockchains. Cardano is a decentralized blockchain platform designed to be secure, scalable, and sustainable. It was created to address some of the core limitations of earlier blockchains, such as high energy usage, slow upgrades, and scalability issues. Unlike many projects that move fast and experiment in production, Cardano follows a more cautious and research-based approach. One of Cardano's defining features is its strong focus on peer-reviewed research. Before major upgrades are implemented, the underlying technology is studied, tested, and reviewed by academics and engineers. This approach aims to reduce critical bugs and long-term risks, even if it means slower development. Cardano uses a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism called Ouroboros. This system allows the network to validate transactions and secure the blockchain without the heavy energy consumption associated with proof-of-work. As a result, Cardano is considered far more energy efficient than older blockchain networks. The native cryptocurrency of the Cardano network is ADA. ADA is used to pay transaction fees, participate in staking, and help secure the network. By staking ADA, users can support network operations and earn rewards in return. This staking model encourages long-term participation rather than short-term speculation. Cardano is built in layers, which is another important difference. The settlement layer handles transactions, while the computation layer manages smart contracts. This separation allows the network to upgrade more easily and reduces the risk of system-wide failures. It also makes Cardano more flexible for future development. Smart contracts on Cardano are designed with security and reliability in mind. Instead of prioritizing speed, Cardano emphasizes correctness and formal verification. This makes the platform attractive for applications where trust and accuracy are critical, such as financial systems and digital identity solutions. However, Cardano also faces criticism. Many people argue that development has been slow compared to other blockchains. Others believe that real-world adoption has not yet matched the project's long-term vision. These criticisms highlight an important trade-off between rapid innovation and long-term stability. So why does Cardano remain relevant? The answer lies in its philosophy. Cardano is not trying to be the fastest or most experimental blockchain. It aims to be a reliable foundation for long-term decentralized systems. For some users and institutions, that reliability matters more than speed. In summary, Cardano is a research-driven blockchain focused on sustainability, security, and careful development. ADA powers the network through transactions and staking. While progress may appear slow, Cardano represents a long-term approach to blockchain infrastructure rather than short-term hype.